God saved Prophet Hud, alayhis salam, and his companions through his mercy, while destroying those who rejected his revelations. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is true. Those who rejected God's revelations as lies were saved in an ark. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is false. Welcome to Questra. Today's quiz is Surah Al-A'raf, Chapter 7, Ayahs 61-90. Get ready for 29 questions. Let's see how well you know this topic. The tribe of Thamud were renowned architects who carved homes out of mountains and built mansions in the plains. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is true. The people of Thamud slew the she-camel and then taunted Salih alayhis salam to bring the threatened torment upon them. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is true. What two accusations did the unbelievers among Hud alayhis salam's people hurl at him? A. That he was a fool and a liar. B. That he was a sorcerer and a madman. C. That he was arrogant and a thief. D. That he was a hypocrite and a traitor. The correct answer is that he was a fool and a liar. What was the response of the proud oppressors when Salih alayhis salam's followers proclaimed their faith? A. They accepted the message and repented. B. They rejected that which the believers believed in. C. They asked for more time to consider the message. D. They drove the believers out of their town. The correct answer is they rejected that which the believers believed in. Hud, alayhis salam, denied being a fool and instead declared himself a messenger of the Lord of the universe. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is true. What did the proud oppressors declare about the believers' faith? A. They would accept it eventually. B. They rejected that which the believers believed in. C. They wished to discuss it further. D. They demanded proof from the messengers. The correct answer is they rejected that which the believers believed in. What does Prophet Noa, alayhis salam, declare he is, rather than being in error, when addressing his people? A. A messenger from the Lord of the universe. B. A king appointed by God. C. A scholar of divine scripture. D. A guide sent by the angels. The correct answer is a messenger from the Lord of the universe. What miraculous sign did the Prophet Salih, alayhis salam, present to the tribe of Thamud as proof of his prophethood? A. A she-camel. B. A pillar of fire. C. A flowing spring. D. A white dove. The correct answer is a she-camel. The tribe of Thamud inherited the land of which previously destroyed people, according to the reminder God gave them. A. The tribe of Ad. B. The people of Noah, alayhis salam. C. The people of Lot, alayhis salam. D. The tribe of Madian. The correct answer is the tribe of Ad. Noah, alayhis salam, rhetorically asks his people why they find it strange that a reminder from their Lord was sent through whom? A. An angel from the heavens. B. A man from among themselves. C. A foreign prophet from another land. D. A king from a noble lineage. The correct answer is a man from among themselves. Noah, alayhis salam, claimed to possess knowledge about God that his people lacked beyond his roles as preacher and advisor. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is true. What specific blessing did the Prophet Hud, alayhis salam, remind his people of, urging them to give thanks to God? A. God appointed them as successors of the people of Noah, alayhis salam, and increased their power over other people. B. God gave them fertile lands and abundant rivers. C. God appointed them as guardians of the sacred house. D. God granted them victory over the people of Thamud. The correct answer is God appointed them as successors of the people of Noah, alayhis salam, and increased their power over other people. The people who defied Prophet Salih, alayhis salam, were destroyed by a sudden earthquake that left them motionless in their homes. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is true. The ancient tribe of Ard rejected Prophet Hud, alayhis salam, warnings what catastrophic force ultimately destroyed them and their land. A. A terrible blast of wind. B. A devastating flood. C. An earthquake that split the earth. D. A plague that swept through their land. The correct answer is a terrible blast of wind. Before his people were destroyed by an earthquake, what had the Prophet Salih alayhis salam done for them that he later lamented they rejected? A. He preached the message of his Lord and gave them good advice. B. He performed miracles and distributed wealth among them. C. He built them places of worship and taught them prayer. D. He warned them by writing the message on stone tablets. The correct answer is he preached the message of his Lord and gave them good advice. Prophet Hud, alayhis salam, described himself to his people in two specific roles which pair correctly reflects both claims he made. A. A preacher of the Lord's message and a trustworthy advisor. B. A warner of punishment and a righteous judge. C. A trustworthy advisor and a miracle worker. D. A preacher of the Lord's message and a chosen king. The correct answer is a preacher of the Lord's message and a trustworthy advisor. The Prophet Hud, alayhis salam, reminds his people that God appointed them as successors of which earlier nation? A. The people of Pharaoh. B. The people of Abraham. C. The people of Noah. D. The people of Lot. The correct answer is the people of Noah. When the Prophet Hud, alayhis salam, challenged his people over their idol worship, whose names did he say God had given no authority to? A. Names invented by the people and their fathers. B. Names given by angels. C. Names revealed in earlier scriptures. D. Names inherited from the tribe of Thamud. The correct answer is names invented by the people and their fathers. What animal did Salih, alayhis salam, present as divine evidence to the tribe of Thamud? A. A bull. B. A she-camel. C. A ram. D. A lion. The correct answer is a she-camel. What divine punishment struck the people of Thamud after they slew the she-camel, as described in Surah Al-A'raf 7-78? A. A great flood swept them away. B. A rain of stones fell upon them. C. An earthquake jolted them, and they were left motionless in their homes. D. A bolt of lightning struck their town. The correct answer is, an earthquake jolted them, and they were left motionless in their homes. When a proud group threatened to expel Shu'ayb alayhi salam and his followers unless they abandoned their faith, what did Shu'ayb alayhi salam ask them in response? A. Will you use force against us? B. How can you worship what you yourselves have carved? C. Do you not fear God? D. Will you not listen to reason? The correct answer is, will you use force against us? When proud members of the tribe of Thamud challenged whether Salih alayhi salam was truly a messenger, what was the response of his oppressed followers? A. We deny his message entirely. B. We need more proof before believing. C. We have faith in the message which he preaches. D. We will follow the majority of our people. The correct answer is, we have faith in the message which he preaches. The people of Hud alayhi salam dared him to bring the threatened torment upon them immediately if he was truthful. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is true. What was the exact family relationship that made Lut alayhi salam a cousin of Ibrahim alayhi salam as identified in Surah Al-A'raf 7-76-80? A. His paternal uncle's son. B. His brother. C. His maternal aunt's son. D. His grandfather's grandson. The correct answer is his maternal aunt's son. When the proud ones among Salih alayhi salam's people challenged his oppressed followers, the followers affirmed their belief in his message. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is false. Lut alayhi salam was sent as a prophet to the people of Mutafikat, a complex of 5 towns which was the largest. A. Gomorrah. B. Sodom. C. Babylon. D. Nineveh. The correct answer is Sodom. Which tribe was Prophet Hud alayhi salam sent to preach to? A. The tribe of Thamud. B. The tribe of Ad. C. The tribe of Lud. D. The tribe of Midian. The correct answer is the tribe of Ad. That's all for this quiz. How many did you get right from Surah Al-A'raf, Chapter 7, Ayahs 61-90? Drop your score in the comments below and follow Questra for a new trivia challenge every day.